To calibrate the airspeed sensor, connect your drone to the Fly PHX app. Once connected, open the pre-flight checklist. Under the sensor calibration heading, the Calibrate Airspeed button can be found. Press the button and the calibration will begin.
Cal ensure sensor is not measuring wind.
Use your hands as shown to block the pitot from any moving air or wind. Continue to do this until prompted to pressurize the tube.
Cal pressurize Pitot for 2 seconds.
Use your fingers and thumb as shown to apply pressure.
Cal pressure detected. Hold for 2 seconds. Cal success.
The calibration is now complete. The calibration can also be initiated from the Gear tab. Select Sensors, then Airspeed, and press OK to begin the calibration.
Cal ensure sensor is not measuring wind.
Use the same techniques that were shown before to complete the calibration.
Cal pressurize Pitot for 2 seconds. Cal pressure detected. Hold for 2 seconds. Cal success.
You can verify the calibration by returning to the fly screen and checking that the airspeed reading is between negative and positive 5 miles per hour. Then pressurize the tube and check that the reading is greater than 20 miles per hour for at least 3 seconds. Thanks for watching, and visit our website at Sentera.com for more information.